What is up, guys? I'm Nicole back again with another hair review. Today I am reviewing I think it's called Miss Orgins Designer Mixed Hair, and it came with a 4-inch deep part closure. This is 4 inches. The closure was 18 inches, and then there's 3 bundles it came with. It's an 18, a 20, and a 22 inch. It is in the color burgundy, as you can see, and it was not straight before. I straightened it. As you can see, I missed some of the pieces. There's some like wavy pieces in the mix, so I'll fix that tomorrow or whatever. But I have to say that this hair is really good synthetic hair. I put a strap on it, so it's kind of tight on my head. And well, it says on the package, it says it's a mixture or like a blend of human hair and synthetic hair. It doesn't tangle much. This is one of my favorite synthetic hair because you can wear this as a sew-in. In my opinion, if you take care of it, you can wear it as a sew-in. You can also put heat on this. Like I said, I straightened this hair, and I think it was on the highest setting on my flat iron. And the closure is actually pretty decent. Like, most closures don't look like this. Most of them are like, you know, all bulked up and stuff. But like I was saying, this hair is really good synthetic hair, and I would highly recommend this hair. Like, if you're going out on a date, or like tomorrow, Thanksgiving, holiday hair, whatever you guys do, I would recommend everyday wear for the hair. Unless you take it off, like, do not sleep in it, or else it will get messed up like any other synthetic hair. I've never slept in it. I don't know how it looks if it's messed up. Like, I still have one wig from like 1.5 years ago of this hair that I made, and it still looks good. Like, I can still flat iron it and everything. I haven't tried to curl this hair yet, so I'm not sure if you can curl it, but I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna make a video of me trying to curl this and see how it goes. Hopefully I don't burn the hair off, fingers crossed. But yeah, other than that, this thumbs up for me. 2 thumbs up for me for synthetic hair. Go get you some from the beauty supply store. I think this hair cost me about, I think the package said it was like $24.99. So it's a really good price, and it looks really good. And it has like a little shine to it. As you can see, the color is really pretty to me. So like I said, I'm gonna get this hair again, and I'm gonna make another quick weave. Or I don't know, I might not make a quick weave with the 613 because it's gonna show all the glue throughout the hair. So, well, I'm gonna get the 613 hair, the same Miss Orgins Designer Mix hair, and I'm gonna make a wig out of that, and I'm gonna sew it, and I'm gonna show you guys what that 613 looks like. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure you guys like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on another video.